Hello again. Today our session will be about motivation. So, what is motivation? Motivation is the thoughts and feelings we have which make us want to do something, continue to want to do it, and turn our wishes into action. Motivation influences why people decide to do something, how long they want to do it for, and how hard they are prepared to work to achieve it. The factors that influence our motivation to learn a language are the usefulness to us of knowing the language well, e.g. for finding jobs, getting onto courses of study, getting good marks from the teacher, our interest in the target language culture, the culture of the language we are learning, and feeling good about learning the language. Success, self-confidence, feeling that we can do things successfully, learner autonomy or independence, feeling responsible for and in control of our own learning. Encouragement and support from others, e.g. teacher, parents, classmates, school, society. Our interest in the learning process, the interest and relevance to us of the course content, classroom activities, the teacher's personality, teaching methods. Motivation can change with age. 2. With some factors becoming more or less important as learners get older. Ways for motivating students. Set a personal example with your own behavior, i.e. be motivated as a teacher yourself. Create a relaxed atmosphere in the classroom, i.e. try to prevent anxiety in yourself or the learners. Present tasks in an interesting way which makes the tasks seem achievable to the learners. Develop a good relationship with the learners. Increase the learners' self-confidence about language learning, i.e. help learners feel they can be good at learning the language. Make the language classes interesting. Promote learner autonomy. Personalize the learning process, i.e. make the course feel relevant to the learners' lives, increase the learners' awareness of their goals, i.e. what they want to achieve. Familiarize learners with the target language culture. Now let's test our knowledge about motivation. For questions 1 to 7, match the teaching recommendations with the influences on motivation listed from A to H. There is one extra option that you do not need to use. Let's begin. Pause the video, take a pen and a piece of paper. You may spend 3 or 7 minutes to this test during TKT exam. So, let's check your answers. 1. Where possible, ask learners to choose what activities they want to do. The answer is the option A, learner autonomy. 2. Encourage parents to motivate their children to learn English. It is the option G, support from others. 3. Remind learners how important English is for getting jobs. It is D, the usefulness of learning the language. 4. Choose activities and materials that are motivating. It is B, interest in the lesson. 5. Bring to the classroom any materials, e.g. brochures, photos, souvenirs, you have collected on your trips to English-speaking countries. C. Interest in the target culture. 6. Praise learners frequently but honestly. H. Self-confidence. 7. Give learners opportunities to use English to talk about their own lives. E. Personalization. Here F is extra option. So, our session has ended. Go on watching and learning, and it would be some motivation for us if you subscribed my channel. Goodbye.